Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS4 versus the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The RS4 is a high-performance wagon, blending family practicality with thrilling speed. Meanwhile, the Giulia Quadrifoglio is a focused sports sedan, renowned for its passionate driving dynamics. We'll explore what makes each vehicle unique and help you decide which might be the better fit for your lifestyle and driving preferences. Under the hood, the Audi RS4 boasts a twin-turbocharged V6 engine, sending its power to all four wheels through Audi's Quattro system. The Giulia Quadrifoglio also uses a potent twin-turbo V6, but it channels its impressive output exclusively to the rear wheels. While both offer exhilarating acceleration, their distinct drivetrains create very different driving sensations and handling characteristics. Inside, the Audi RS4 prioritizes versatility, offering generous cargo capacity and comfortable rear seating, making it ideal for daily family duties. The Giulia Quadrifoglio, however, presents a more driver-centric cockpit, with a focus on performance-oriented design and materials. Despite their different approaches, both vehicles feature high-quality finishes and advanced infotainment systems, ensuring a premium experience. When it comes to the driving experience, the RS4 offers composed confidence, especially in varied conditions, making it a superb daily driver. The Giulia Quadrifoglio, on the other hand, delivers a more visceral and engaging ride, truly connecting the driver to the road. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize all-weather capability and practicality or a raw, emotional driving thrill. For those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.